Here's a real quick tip for colourway changes. So I'm doing quite a lot of work these days on Procreate on the iPad, and when I've finished an image, I sometimes think to myself, I wonder what this would look like in a different colourway. And rather than going and editing the image and taking lots and lots of time to try and find that out using the app, I find that there's other things available, and there's an app that I've been using for some years called RNI FILMS, which basically mimics analog film qualities. So the type of film would give a certain feel or a certain finish to an image, a certain colour quality to an image, and they're vastly different from one another. And of course I've been using this app for a long time where photography is concerned, but it occurred to me not long ago that I could actually run some of my graphics through this process as well, and get a different colour finish really quickly. And of course, you know, if you end up liking one of them, because they are flat images you run through, you have to run through a JPEG, so they won't take a Photoshop document or a Procreate document in layers. You have to flatten it to a JPEG in order to run it through this little app. But once you have, as long as you've got your layers finished, if you end up with a colourway that you like, you can go back into Photoshop or into Procreate and make those alterations to the colours. But it's just a real quick way of having a look at some different colourways on images, and some of them are really effective. So this is basically a little YouTube video based on that process, and it's all hands-on tools, dead quick to use, and you get some results really quickly as well. Yeah, it's just good fun and really useful. That's the thing. So RNI Films is the app. It's free to download. You can purchase some of the filters in app, which is certainly what I've done because I love this app. It's fantastic. I love how it works and what it does. So first of all, here's how the image is made in Procreate. So here are some of the finished images, starting with the original image that I did in Procreate. I ran it through the RNI Film app, and these are the outcomes. And lastly, this is the one that I chose. This is the one that I really liked. I like this colourway. Love the image. I wanted it slightly different from what I'd finished with in Procreate, so after running it through that app, this is the colourway that I chose to take as my final piece. Anyway, I hope this has been useful. Let me know if you use that app at all yourselves. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you've not subscribed, subscribe to my channel for updates. I talk about all sorts of things creative. I'm a digital artist living and working in West Yorkshire, in England, in the UK. And yeah, it'd be good to have you on board. So do subscribe, hit like if you've liked this video, and I'll catch you next time. Take care for now. Bye.